In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Command and Communication Center on iPOSpays. If these features aren't available on your account, please contact your Deja Vu representative to have them enabled. Before we begin, make sure your merchant's POS TPN is running build number 10145 or higher. The terminal must also have Android 8 or above. To use this feature, you must enable Control Center for the merchant's TPN. To do this, log into the iPOSpays portal using an ISO account. Go to Steam. Then, Edit Parameters. Use the search box to find and select the merchant's POS terminal. Click Edit Parameter. Go to Value Add. Enable Control Center. Then, click Save and perform a parameter update on the merchant's payment terminal for the changes to take effect. You'll then see this message on the status bar of the payment terminal, and you're ready to go. Now, go to Control Center. Use the search box to find a specific TPN. Or, if you manage multiple merchants, search by merchant to view all their TPNs. Select the TPN. Under Action, you'll find two options, Command and Communication. Click on Command to perform remote actions on the terminal. From the drop-down menu, choose the command you want to execute. For example, use this command to update the DVPay Lite app. You can also enter a job name to help with tracking. Then, click Send to execute the command. You can follow the same method for all the other commands as well. This includes updating the device parameters, rebooting the terminal, retrieving the current time set on the terminal, or updating the terminal time. You must select which time zone to apply to the terminal. To send a message or upload an image to the terminal, click Communication. From the drop-down menu, choose the communication type. For an instant message, click Instant Message. Type your message here. By default, the message stays on the terminal screen until the merchant interacts with it. You can check or uncheck this option to change that behavior. And send it. You can also upload an image. Click Image Upload. Select the device model and make sure your file meets the listed requirements. Just like with messages, you can decide whether the image should stay on the screen until the merchant interacts with the terminal. Once ready, click Send command to send it to the terminal. And that's it. Thanks for watching.